I'm just another stranger in another Midwest town. But the girl at the fabric store likes me around. She's gonna help me get my feet back on the ground. Now you're teaching me to cruise your manual to Corolla. I'm gonna stall at 20 times on the shore, drive to Viroqua. Don't worry, I'm sure I can get it by Minnesota. Would it really be the end of the world to check out California? Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Well, there's never been much to see in Prairie du Chien, but your silhouette is golden from lights you had woven through the evergreen. Now you're dancing to Sinatra, I'm trying to fix my left feet. Would it really be all that bad to ask you to marry me? Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. When we're feeling all old and gray and I don't recognize my face, wrap me in that raggedy quilt you gave me on Christmas Day. When we feel like we've got both feet in the grave, remember your old Corolla with the worn out red chip paint. Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. Girl, I'm looking to you. You drive away my blues. This world is small, but full of things that we will never know. Answers to questions we try to find, the reason that we live and why we die. But I know what I've seen, simple mystery. So come on, babe, let's not waste a moment or another day with answers to questions. Let's live our lives, finding a meaning of a different kind. I know what I've seen in you and me. worth it without you.